Okay guys, today I want to show you guys how to use Logo Maker and Pixellab to make a logo better and mock it up. So this Logo Maker, you can use it to create logo, but you cannot use it to mock up a logo. So but what I'm going to do is just to go to Logo Maker and pick a logo, like a sample of a logo. I'm going to pick an art. Okay, let me put it that way, art. So I'll use the art. Let's move forward. This is the Logo Maker and this is the Pixellab. So just open the Logo Maker and you click on create logo. So if you see, the background here is transparent. So if you watch, you see here background, you see art, you see text, you see drawing, and you see gallery. So if you click on this background, you can change the background. You can use any background. Now if I click on this, you can see the background has changed. But why I want the background to be transparent is because I'm saving the image as PNG image, so that I can place it on other backgrounds without it having its own background. It will be transparent. So I'll just go, what I used to use Logo Maker and do, I'll just go to art. When you click on art, you see all these things. So this is architecture. If someone now who is like a construction company, a building company, like they want you to like design a logo for them, you can just come here. Though my internet connection is not on, I don't own my data. If not, once you own your data and you load it, it will be more than this. This is just the ones that you will just see without like owning your data connection, without internet connection. So I'll just go to art, go to birthday. I want to take this art here, this one below. I want to use this and create like a kind of chef restaurant. So once it's like this, as you just like it, just save it. Just click on this OK at the right top of your phone. If you just click it, it will save in your phone. You just come here and you click on full HD, then you click OK. And it has automatically saved in your phone. Now, and it save as PNG. If you watch, you see that the part where the image saved is in pictures and signature pad. Then you will see the image. That's why you go to your phone, because if you go to your gallery direct, you might not see the image, because seriously, once I go to my gallery, I don't see the image. So I have to go to my internal storage and I'll go to pictures and I'll open this other folder, signature pad, and I will see the pictures. So I will then move it from that place to a folder which I will see it in my gallery. So we have saved this, but I've saved this before, so I'll just go to Pixellab and import the image, because I've done this step before. So we'll just go back. Now open Pixellab. So you just need to get everything straight. So this is Pixellab. So I have this image before. I've told you before. I've saved it before in my gallery. So I'll just go to my gallery straight. Go to my gallery straight and import the image. Because you know the first logo we did, it was a logo with like use alphabet, a letter logo. Let's put it that way. Now we are using an act to form a logo. Now I'll just go ahead and I'll just either you import the image anyhow, or you just let me just from gallery. So I just want to show you. You saw the way I use the logo maker. So this is the image. If you watch, you can see it at the top here. This is the image. So once you click it, it comes. You see, it has transparent background, so you don't need to bother yourself. So far you save as transparent background, that's the way it comes. So I just So this is it. So I'll just put it at the center, position it at the center, using relative position. So I'll just position it this way, then I will lock it. And I'll just edit this text. Just make the chef. This is the chef restaurant. So I'll bring the text to front, and I'll just reduce the size. $35. Then I'll change the font. The font. Okay, let's choose that one. Change the color. Just make it black. Now just paste it. Now I have to position it well. Now just add a 3D format. 3D. Just reduce the darkness. And if you see, you are seeing those cracks. So once you just disable this simulate lightning, the crack will go off. So I'll just reduce the darkness, and it's as if. So I rotate it downward. Let me change the color of the text, because the 3D format is black, so the text is not showing very well. So we'll just change the color. Let's look for a better color for it. No. Okay. Let's just go back to the 3D, and we are going to darken it. You can see now the chef. So we can as well space it again. So now it's visible, the chef. But I don't really like the color because it's not showing very well. So we'll still change the color. Okay. Yeah, this color is good to go. Showing very well. So just done with that, and we'll go over to work on the logo. This other one, the art. So we are going to add. We'll just emboss it. It will not work that way. Just reduce it. The emboss does not work. Just add the 3D logo first. Oblique. Reduce this. Then once you disable this, you see, and you type in, you rotate it down. You can see. So I'll just reduce this a little bit to 4. Now let's make it 5. Okay, then we'll try the emboss again. It will not work that way, so we'll just leave it. Since emboss do not work, because emboss is gonna be good for a 3D logo. So since it do not work, You just add another text. We'll still try the emboss later, but not now. You add another text. The chef restaurant. You change the font immediately. And you can as well space it. And you curve the text. I want to curve it. You can see curve here. And you put it forward. You can see how it's curved. So let's try to adjust it. You just adjust it. Now you can see this is better this way. And you just add the 3D text to it too. Just as usual. You darken it. And you rotate it this way. Disable this. Now watch. You can see I darken it more. Then reduce the depth. So I think this is better this way. Then what you do, now you just merge everything together. Click on this place and you highlight everything and you merge together. Now you can see, look at everything is meshed together. So you can see, try the emboss this period now and see how it works. If it not works, you reduce it and try it. Emboss does not work, so you just work with this. Now let's add 3D shape again and see. Just darken it and you off this. Just reduce the depth color. Yeah, I think this is better. Then you just rotate this other way. Then you okay it. So now this is the logo, but the mockup is not going to be this background, so we'll just import the mockup we are going to use. The mockup background we are going to use for the logo. So you just go to your background setting from gallery as usual. So you can see, you position it and just as usual 3D rotate. So just adjust it. If you go this way, this is not working because you added 3D shape. So you are going to disable this, then you work with your 3D rotate. If you are reducing it, going this way. If you are increasing it, going this way. So I'll just reduce this other way, then I'll take this other way. Okay, this is okay now. Then what you just add shadow. You just take the shadow this other way and you bring it down this other way. So what we are going to do to see this logo very well, you just reduce the brightness, like increase the brightness of the background, the mock-up background. So you go to this place, click on brightness, just you increase it, you increase the brightness. Let me go to 3D rotate. Now you can see this is another way to present this. In case if you are not using a letter to form a logo, you just use art like this. So this is okay. You can do yours. This is another 3D logo plus markup. Just present it this way. Present it this way to your client. So just save as project as usual. Logo plus markup, and we save as image. So I've taught you how to use Logo Maker and Pixellab. So you can just, when they ask you to design a logo, you can just go to Logo Maker and look for art that will be better. Just check according to the person's brand name, according to what your client wants. You just check what will be good for your client, and once you get something like that, you just save it and bring it to Pixellab and add the necessary things you need to add to it. Then you just mock it up and send to your client. So that's all for today class. Thank you for participating. God bless you.